had pretty severe arthritis beforehand, and I was a little apprehensive to have it done, but it was easy, wonderful.
Okay, so tell me what surgery you had and how many weeks ago it was done?
So I had a right TKA. It was done on Monday the 2nd, and today is Friday the 13th, so 11 days ago. I had pretty severe arthritis beforehand, and I was a little apprehensive to have it done, but it was easy, wonderful.
What were your symptoms before surgery?
I had my ACL replaced and a meniscus removed, so I had a lot of...
Years ago?
Yeah, about 10 years ago. So I had a lot of arthritis in my interior, medial, I guess it's called, and lots of swelling. It was very painful to stand and turn sometimes. Walking was hard.
Okay. So we talked about it. You're a younger guy, but it was getting that bad where it's starting to affect daily activities and certainly couldn't do higher level things. So we pulled the trigger on a knee replacement. That was 2 weeks ago. You said it was pretty bad the third day?
The third day was pretty painful at night, but during the day it's not been bad. But really it was only 1 day of severe pain.
Okay.
I would like an 8, 9 out of 10 scale.
Okay.
And it was at nighttime. Otherwise, my pain level has been 2 to 4, very, very manageable.
Okay.
Off meds by Friday the first week.
Okay. Show us your knees. We can see the incision. So it's got some bruising there. How far can you bend it today?
Some bruising.
Incredible. That's an incredible range of motion.
Yeah, like the full extension.
Yeah.
Rotation.
Okay. And your x-rays look beautiful.
The steroids, I think, helped the most.
Okay.
They knocked that swelling out of me.
That we gave you at 5 or 6 days?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. It's a ton of tiny steps that all accumulate to a result. So glad. Thanks.
Yeah.